Hi, this is Acutech, car audio and visual specialist in Winchester. This is a short video just to show you that we can fit a fully integrated rear view camera into a Lexus CT with active guidelines. Here we are, sat in the nice Lexus. If we put it into reverse now, you'll see we get that view come up. If we turn, go roll backwards, you can also see the active guidelines moving, which is really quite a nice feature. Again, this is in a Lexus CT. We can put it into any Lexus within reason on the newer Lexus. We can also do BMW, Volvo, Peugeot, Citroen. If you want to give us a call or email us, 01962 886 900 or sales@acutech.co.uk. Thanks for watching.